Hello and welcome once again to this particular channel. So in today's video we are going to solve the question 18 of the WAEC 2025 objective question, and it says the interior angles of a triangle are in the ratio of 2:5:8. Find the difference between the smallest and the largest angles. And option A is 12 degrees, option B is 24 degrees, option C is 48 degrees, and option D is 72 degrees. Okay, so let's go through solving this particular question right now. So we have that the angles of the triangles are in the ratio 2:5:8. Okay. So what we're going to do now is to express these angles in terms of a common variable. So I'm going to say let the angles be 2x for this one of ratio 2, and then 5x for the one in ratio 5, and then 8x for that in ratio 8. Okay, now so that means that summing these 2x plus 5x plus 8x is going to give me the angle in the triangle. So you're going to say, but the sum of the angles in the triangle, which is 2x plus 5x plus 8x, in this case, is supposed to give us 180 degrees, which is the sum of angles in a triangle. So 2x plus 5x plus 8x is going to be equal to what? 15x. And that should also be equal to 180 degrees. So if we want to make the formula subject, I'm going to divide both sides by 15, here by 15. So 15 over 15 is going to give me 1. X is going to be equal to 180 over 15, going to be equal to 12. So x is going to be equal to 12, right? So but we're looking for the difference between the smallest and the largest angles. So in this case, 2x is going to be equal to 2 times 12. So that's equal to 24. Then 5x is going to be equal to 5 times 12. 5 times 12, and that's equal to 60. And 8x is going to be equal to 8 times 12, and that is equal to 96. Okay, so in this case now we can say that the 2x is the smallest angle and 8x is the largest angle. So the difference between the smallest and largest angles is going to be equal to 8x minus 2x, which is the same as 96 minus 24. And 96 minus 24 is going to be equal to 72 degrees. So the difference between the smallest angle and the largest angle of this triangle is 72 degrees, which is option D. So based on what we've learned in this video, here is a similar question for you. It says, the interior angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. Find the difference between the smallest and the largest angles. Option A is 15 degrees, option B is 30 degrees, option C is 45 degrees, option D is 60 degrees. So solve this question and give me your answers in the comment section. If you like this video and other videos in this channel, help me by subscribing to this channel, and also share the video with your colleagues. Without much further ado, I'll leave you to it that math is easy. Thank you.